Hello, magandang araw po sa inyo mga kapangarap. This is Sotos in Canada. So mapasin niyo po nito kami ngayon sa sasakyan. Of course, kasama ko si beautiful Baby Bella. Hi Baby Bella, and of course beautiful mommy. Wala si Harold ngayon kasi masama ang pakiramdam niya. And papunta kami ng church.
Because my brother cannot open his fingers.
My brother cannot open the strangers. That's why naiwanan siya sa bahay. And he's not feeling well. So ngayon, ito kami ngayon sa parking lot kasi pumunta kami ng McDonald's. Bumili kami ng pagkain kasi maaga kami ng dating. Namili muna kami ng groceries. Then pumunta kami dito sa church namin, which is malapit lang dito. And doon kami ng McDonald's. Alright, so ito po yung aming kakainin. There you go, McDonald's. Namiss ko kasi ang McDonald's sa mga kapangarap. And
Happy Meal.
And Happy Meal for Baby Bella. Okay.
Yeah.
So what Happy Meal would you like, baby? Oh, there is some nuggets right here, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, 6 pieces nuggets po mga kapangarap. Ang order ni Bella. Okay. Okay, there's your nuggets. And you have, what else? Oh, a cheeseburger! Oh, love cheeseburger. Malaki po ang cheeseburger nila dito mga kapangarap. And only ketchup and mayonnaise po ang gusto niya. And of course, french fries. Yan. And meron siyang, yeah, it's in the bag, bebe. And meron siyang toys. At dito po may kasamang yogurt po mga kapangarap ang Happy Meal nila dito. Ito yung yogurt. Healthy po kasi dito. Healthy yung yogurt. Where's your toy? I couldn't see your toy.
Here.
Oh, the toy is right here.
Daddy,
Mm.
I only got 3 nuggets. 3 nuggets.
What?
You only have
That's 6 nuggets. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, see? I told you it's 6 nuggets. There you go, mami. And ano naman ang nasa akin pa mga kapangarap? Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa bag ko. My favorite po, McDouble. Sa Pilipinas walang McDouble. Ang tawag po dyan is double cheese. Okay? Yes.
The mayonnaise first.
Mayonnaise? I don't know. Oh, you have barbecue sauce here, bebe. Okay, she wants the sauce, but I have barbecue sauce here, mga kapangarap. There you go.
I just have the mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise.
I will check the mayonnaise. Mami, can you check? I don't think we have mayonnaise, baby. They didn't give us mayonnaise. No, the mayonnaise inside the burger. I asked for cheeseburger with ketchup and mayonnaise only. Okay, and ito po yung french fries nila. This is the medium price. Alam niyo po ba sa Pilipinas, yung large price, dito medium price lang. Okay, medium lang po isibihinan. May mas malaki pa dito. And sarap ng price ng McDonald's, you know that. Fresh na McDonald's. And of course, meron tayo. Oh, bakit ganoon? Maliit yung Coke ko. Malaki yung order ko ah. Where's my Coke? Oh, Bella took it. Pinagpalit niya po. Ayaw niya ng maliit. Ah. You love soda. This is iced tea. Mommy told you, right? Don't drink too much soda, right?
I don't like that.
This is iced tea. Iced tea is your favorite. So, ang liit po. Ito yung small. Okay? Tapos yung medium nila, may, can I get the cup? Can I show to our kapangarap? This is the large size. Diba? Sa atin, extra large na to eh. Okay? This is medium lang. Medium. Meron pang large po. May mas malaki pa dito.
Yummy.
Okay? So let's try the french fries kung mainit po yung fries. There you go, mommy. What are you eating? Nuggets.
Look at my bite.
Look at your bite. Okay, it's fresh.
It's delicious.
Oh, it's delicious. Masarap ng french fries.
I'm gonna eat my burger.
And mga kapangarap, you know what? Ito nga sabi ko kayo na, yung McDouble nila para siyang double cheese natin. Yung double cheese kasi dalawa yung cheese at dalawang patty. Ito naman, dalawang patty pero isa lang yung cheese niya. Teka lang po, buksan natin. Yan. Isa lang yung cheese niya pero dalawa yung patty niya sa loob. Yan. Ito yung favorite ko dito kasi
Daddy, mine is
tapos maraming pickle sa loob. Ang sarap.
mine is big, better than yours.
Yours is cheeseburger with ketchup and mayonnaise. Mine has onions, has pickles, has mustard.
I don't like pickles. They're nasty.
You're that nasty daw? No.
Yeah, I don't like pickles on my burger.
Okay, that's why I requested only ketchup and mayonnaise. Sarap kong kumain sa kotse, mga kapangarap. Siyempre, pag mainit ang french fries, samantalahin natin kasi pag lumamig na, sagi na to. Ito mga kapangarap. Oh. Ito yun, oh. Sarap yung pickles niya. Oh. Yung masarap po.
And
Oh.
I have French fries. I love French fries and burgers and soda and chicken nuggets.
Wow. Perfect match, right? Are you hungry that much, baby?
Yeah.
Why? You eat already, right? At home?
But I only eat more food.
You want more food. That's good, so that you will become healthy, right? Grabe mga kapangarap. Ang sarap talaga na itong McDouble. Sa Pilipinas, walang McDouble po.
Daddy,
Cheeseburger lang, hamburger at saka double cheese jam. So, basically, it's the same as cheeseburger din po ito.
Sir, may dito pa po kayo.
Wala na po kumakain.
Sige, okay.
Thank you so much.
Ayan po.
Salamat. Say hi. O, teka na kasi nakapark kami dito, deliver yung food. Ganun yung minihintay pa kami. Ganun kasi dito. Pinark kasi hindi pa ready yung food. Pinark muna kami dito. Then deliver sa akin yung food namin.
Daddy,
Yes.
were we still here in McDonald's?
Yeah, we're still, because we're eating. Mahirap ka mag-English, no? Ang sarap pa yung pickles, so lumalabas, oh. Tapos yung cheese niya is melt na melt. Ang sarap.
Yummy. So delicious.
So delicious.
I don't like this.
Tapos inom ng drinks, no? The best. Sarap.
Daddy, I can see my biting crown.
What?
My biting crown. I got 6 now. I got 6 now.
We didn't give me even one.
Dad,
Oh, what?
I didn't get 6 now.
Because you ate one. And mommy ate one too.
Mommy, look at that. Put my chicken nuggets.
Wala, mabili ka ulit.
No, give mommy some.
Daddy, give
Hmm.
you guys finish
Ano po? 7:01 ang mga kapangarap.
Daddy,
Punta namin sa church. Baka naman kami malate po. Salamat na marami. I hope na-enjoy po kayo. Si Bella.
why you guys finish my chicken?
No, I just ate one. That's all yours. You still have 4. I just got one. Mommy got one too. Oh my goodness. And that's all yours is 4. Mag-English kami. Okay, later we'll buy again. Okay. Bye-bye mga kapangarap. Maraming salamat. Si bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po. Bye-bye.
Bye.
God bless. Church muna po tayo. Magpasalamat at maghingi ng blessing sa Panginoon. Ingat po lagi and God bless everyone. Bye.